Hey, welcome back to Red Dog Farms. Today, working with the seedling heat mat. I picked this thing up off of Amazon for 20 bucks. Give it a run, see if it works. Thermostat plugs in, seed mat plugs into here. It's pretty much all there is to it. Temperature probe goes in the dirt, and we'll see what happens. This section here is all broccoli. This is 4 green beans, 4 bell peppers, and 4 pickling cucumbers. So we put them in. We've got this thing set to about 70 degrees. We'll see how long it takes the seeds to germinate, and we'll keep you updated. So subscribe to the channel so you can get the updates. Please hit the like button, thumbs up button, and share this video with a friend. We'd really appreciate it. And stay tuned. We'll get you updated as things progress here. Thanks for watching.